Hello student, Namaste Swanlai. As you know, while writing taxonomic hierarchy, there is a proper order and the order should be remained by us. So today I am here to provide a trick or you can say mnemonics so that you can easily remember the order of taxonomic hierarchy and also the order of taxonomy. So let's begin into the topic. So at first, I will provide the trick for the order of taxonomic hierarchy, and the trick is keep pot or disk clean, otherwise family get sick. Keep pot or disk clean, otherwise family gets sick. KPTCOFGS. So in first we have K. So K means kingdom. In second we have P or D. So these both are in same order. Phylum. In animal we use phylum. And while classifying animal we use division. And in third we have C. So C means class. In fourth we have O means order. In fifth we have F. So F means family. And in sixth we have G. So G means genus. And in seventh we have S. So S means species. So this is the order. So if you write any plant or any animal taxonomic hierarchy, so we have to follow this order, so you will get the full mark. And now for the order of taxonomy, there is one trick, and the trick is INCA, Inca. So in first I means identification. And second we have N. So N means nomenclature. And in third we have C. So C means classification. In fourth we have A. So A means affinity. So this is the order of taxonomy, or we can say the definition of taxonomy is all this: identification, nomenclature, classification, and affinity of any organism is called taxonomy. So this all about the order of taxonomic hierarchy and order of taxonomy. So take the screenshot. This mnemonics is very important. Take the screenshot, and thank you for the class.